I'm gonna do an OnlyFans, okay? To make back my...
Maybe I pour out our art tone and I want everybody, and I'm never come get to them, want everybody like. Okay guys, so guess what? We're in Orlando, Florida right now, okay? And Livi have this wild, what you call it? Idea.
Escapade, adventure, plan.
I'm tired, okay? Because we just don't do it. Plus me work last night, plus me busy today. You understand? So, guess what? Livi said we are drive approximately hour and 20 minutes from here.
Yes.
To go to Tampa, Florida at a casino.
Yes.
Okay? And I was like, but in my mind, I always remember me have to listen to my woman most of the time. You understand?
Don't hold that up because God forbid you'll be like, see, that's why I shouldn't listen. But we ain't gonna speak nothing negative. But yeah, listen to me right.
So we pull over, you understand, at the side of the road, and I'm making you know. All right? See it there? See the road there? See the car where we are driving? Where there?
My Raga.
The Raga. We are driving stick shift, 2008 Mazda 3.
Good on gas. That's why we checking it over there.
And we are put mileage on it. Because we buy cheap at the auction.
Yes.
So, me I go along with my man tonight. Olivia said we not spend more than $100 at the auction.
I'm taking my last $100, guys.
And if we win, she said she'll give me 80% of the money.
We haven't had a conversation about what I'm going to do if we win. I don't, he decided that on his own.
Okay. Yes. Yeah, man, but guess what? We'll pull over and we're going to do an outfit check. Okay, we'll start with Livi in 3, 2, 1.
So, guys, I have on my yard girl shirt because you know I'm mixed with Jamaican. Because my man is Jamaican. So, Jamaican, right? And I have on these green pants. I have on my Clarks. They're dirty. They need to clean, but I don't know how to clean it yet. Denzel told me I need to get a toothbrush and water, and that's what I'm going to do. I have on my blonde braids. And you see, I'm in green for good luck. And I have the Jamaican outfit for good luck because I notice, guys, anytime I'm about to do something like major in my life, for instance, if I'm going to go take a test, or anything, and I walk and I pass, and there's a Jamaican talk to me, I feel like they're my good luck. I always pass the test. I'm gonna give you a little story about that, how I know that's true. It happened like 3 times, but not now. So yeah.
So my outfit check, guys, in 3, 2, 1. So me in a full black. You don't know, so we dark. We dark. I don't know what I do, but we dark. So guess what now? Me get ready before Livi. Me have on a black tee. Me have on my chain. Me have on this from my lovely sister Natalie bought me. See the Marsha, it's been over 2 years now and I still have it. Me have on the ring where my woman buy me, the ring them. Me not have on the necklace where Livi buy me. Me have on the one where I buy myself. Me now want straight jeans, you see me? 2 iPhone in my pocket, one for business, one for personal use. Me have on a desert Clarks, one of the new type of desert Clarks them. You understand? And Livi put on a Clarks because she see me in a Clarks. You understand? So guess what? We just pull over the side of the road to tell you where we are where and what we are do tonight. Guess what? You know, so we have a house at Jamaica and we almost finished decorated. And we are going to have a link in the description where you can book it. Airbnb style. You don't know, it's in Ocho Rios, Jamaica.
Yes.
Approximately 12 to 15 minutes from the town center. That means from the square of Ocho Rios. Blue Wall, that's a popular attraction, is like 5 minutes up the road.
And White River.
White River is like 5 minutes the opposite direction. Safe, 120% fully gated community. with 24-hour security. You can't beat that. Have a pool, and by the pool, it's ocean view, so you can see the bay of Ocherius.
Yes.
3 bedrooms, big living room, full kitchen, 3.5 bathroom. Every room have the bathroom, fully AC. Upstairs and downstairs. Upstairs have 2 rooms, downstairs have what? 1
balcony
room.
at the top.
Balcony there upstairs.
Enjoy the breeze.
Yes, where everybody have access to, because you see it. I'm going to put a link where you can go watch the house tour, but fully safe. And guess what? I want to help with, okay? We not beg you no, but me I beg you no. I want to support with Airbnb. Fully safe.
Yes.
Quiet. Big house, over 2,000 square feet, and you can't go wrong. But we are going to go more, and every video we do, we'll start promoting because we're almost ready.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to go Tampa now, you know, come with me. No man say, babe, me just feel like say I'm mine if you get rich and take away out of poverty. So guess what? Journey with us, too.
Yes. Tampa, and let's get out of here because I keep watching for the alligator. There's a big
Live is scary
over there.
So guys, journey with us. This is going to be an interesting vlog. Your boy One Done. I'm out. Okay guys, so I'm here.
Yes, we made it, guys. We made it.
We made it to Tampa, Florida. Okay, and we're at the Hard Rock Cafe, about to win $100,000.
Yes.
Guys, comment down below before you watch any more of the video and tell me if Livi is going to win. Okay?
Yes, I win already.
And guess what? On our way here, Livi come up with an idea.
Why are you saying me?
It was your idea.
All right, tell them.
No, I want you to tell them.
So now, if we, I don't want to say we're not gonna win, but I'm gonna do our OnlyFans, okay? All right, to make back my $100. All right.
And she put a gun to my head and said, you can't say nothing. So I just say, okay. Okay, so we'll hop out of the local car now and follow we into Hard Rock Cafe, Tampa, Florida.
All right.
Oh.
So you could have go, if you park in a garage, you could have go through that way.
So Livi make me come out of my bed condos. But we get rich here.
Nobody wants
Rich.
to hear that bullshit. Take
For real.
these stupid ass flag.
oil that you just put on?
No hand sanitizer.
And then the oil. Your grandmother gave.
I went 540. That's credit, not money.
So we're leaving the casino.
Yep.
Tonight was a quite interesting night.
Yeah.
And I think your girl Livi is about to sign up for an OnlyFans
Yes.
because we lose more than what we planned to
But
spend.
you know, guys, we were kind of winning. We was, both of us, but we kept playing instead of cashing
But it
out.
all boils down to the end of the day, we lose. So
One, we gonna win.
ladies, I came out the house, out my bed, because sometimes Livy said if you believe in her. you
I
see
never
me?
said, just say, let me go to the casino and play. We have to take risks
And if
in
it
life.
was a no, it was a no, she would have said, bet you would
And
have
guess what?
played.
Guess what, guys? I'm going to continue to take risks. I believe in taking risks. That's the one thing about me. I'm not scared to take risks and lose. I don't care. Because you just never know when you're going to win, okay? All right.
And you're right about that, guys. To be honest, I'm not mad. I didn't regret coming with my fiance, okay?
Neither me.
So I just saw life go. If we never come here, we better twist and a turn and I say, suppose we didn't win.
And even though we did it.
So we're here, guys. We're about to head back to Orlando. An hour and a half drive.
Yep.
And
See, well, we was just in time.
so that's the only good luck we have tonight.
No,
We can start
we
for-
have good blessings. So
So we're going to gas station. We're not sure if we have gas. Can afford gas to go back to Orlando. But guess what? We're here. You understand? Look
Well-
out for Livy only fun.
they think I'm joking, you know.
What time? Show them the time. Because I don't want them to think so we're capped. I don't think we're lying.
4:11.
In the morning. See it there? At night outside. See? Night and it's raining.
Yep.
All because of my fiance Livy.
I enjoyed it.
And guys, go up on Livy website. Go on tea. Just see me know so now watch my belly and good all. So one done belly I get red. Livy give me a free month because I was a good boyfriend lately. She gave me a free month to try her tea. So we're up on our second week now and I've been pooping a lot.
Talking, so that's
So go to Livy website, Dance Connect.
www.dawsconnect.com.
I'll put it on the screen. If you want to order the good tea them, cleanse out tea, clean out tea, if it just make your whole eye poop come out of you. We'll eat a backed up poop them. Something will literally work, guys, you see me? Something will work. Best time when me take you like, when me know some of them room for 1 2 days. So all my advice on if you take it if you have a 9 to 5. So you know you have tomorrow, you take it from the day you work, the night where you work. If you know you're not going up on the road, and guess what, just clean out your body, it's worth it, you know.
Yep.
It's worth it. Worth it. Because me feel better taking it. And thank you for the free month, my baby.
Yep.
And I'll be a better boyfriend, okay?
You gonna be a what?
Better boyfriend. No, fiance, sorry.
Okay.
So hopefully I get the next 3 months. Okay guys, this is a boy I want done and
Livy.
okay guys, so we're there here. We just come from the casino and we lose because Livy just wake up and say she feel her luck, but
No, we could have won, but he wanted to stop. So that's your fault that we ain't lose. We was winning and he wanted to stop.
unfortunately Livy was wrong. She was not feeling her luck. But with the one gas station right now, it's approximately 4:21 in the morning. Okay? And we're in Tampa, Florida. We're going to Orlando in a sec. We stop at one gas station for telling us something and to get some gas.
So guys, we just want to talk to you about our beautiful Airbnb in the beautiful island of Jamaica. Ocho Rios to be exact, guys.
Saint Ann is the parish.
Saint Ann. Soon it will be almost ready. We're so excited to share this Airbnb with you.
We're excited.
So excited for our followers to come
and enjoy our home.
Enjoy it. You know, it's big, it's beautiful, it's spacious, it's clean.
Hold on there. Yo, Livi pour out our tone and I want everybody, and I let me come get to them. I want everybody like that video, yeah? I want everybody book one that I live in Airbnb or else. One babes.
Yes, so it's spacious, it's beautiful, it's clean. It have three bathrooms, 3 bedrooms.
3.5
All
bathrooms.
your bathrooms is in your room.
Wait, stop guys. Livi under pressure from what day, let me tell you. You have 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, okay? You have every bedroom have a bathroom and you have a little, you know, half a bathroom. We have a face basin and a toilet. Yes, but you know, listen to Livi.
Yes, so like I say, it have 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Everybody have their own bathroom. A half a bathroom with a sink and a toilet. You have a balcony for you to sit down and enjoy the good Jamaican fresh island breeze. Because you know when you're there in Canada, you know when you're there in the UK, you know when you're there in the US, you don't get a clean air like when you're there in Jamaica. Okay guys, so we're excited. It's gonna be ready to book. Get your money together. Get your savings together. Okay? You're not gonna have a rough time finding anywhere to stay because guess what? You're gonna be staying at our Airbnb, okay? And we're just excited to have you guys. Alright.
Let me tell you something. It's in a 24-hour gated community. Let me break that down. Fully fenced round. You understand? 24-hour security.
Round the clock security.
On our property, we have 9 security cameras, okay? So guess what? No safe.
Yep.
No safe.
Yep.
You understand me? I say, let me tell you something, guys. 3 bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, full kitchen, bathroom them. It's a luxury Airbnb.
Yes.
Living room have a 65-inch TV. Every other room. No, wait. Sorry. The living room have a 65-inch TV. Okay? 2 of the room them. The 2 regular room have 55-inch. Master bedroom have a 65-inch as well.
Yes.
Okay? Internet the upstairs and downstairs. We forgot to tell them. It's a upstairs and downstairs Airbnb. Okay?
Yeah.
So we have a floor down here, so and 1 floor up there. So
and then we have canopy beds in the 2 rooms, so it'll be like a nice romantic feel.
Yes.
You know, very romantic and very intimate. And we also have another room if you have kids, you know.
Yes.
If you don't have kids, if you're traveling with a couple people, 2 people could stay in that room. So, yeah. A lot of space.
Guess what? I first want to say this. Because of the size of the house, we have internet upstairs and we have internet downstairs.
So it's going to be extra fast.
Extra fast. When me get it downstairs, I was like, me feel it upstairs, you know, but I said, no man, I want it to be perfect. So me get internet upstairs as well. Okay? What else? We have a balcony upstairs. We have ceiling fan in every room and living room.
Yeah.
We have standing fan in a living room and every room.
We have a long driveway, so it's, you know, extra
We have
parking.
laundry.
Yep.
We have washer and dryer. Okay. We have blender, stove, fridge.
Fully
equipped kitchen. Okay. What else we have?
We have everything.
We have
everything and more.
Everything and
You have
more.
AC, fan. If you don't want the AC, you have the fan. If
And
you
guys,
don't want the fan, you have the AC.
Me and Livi go on Airbnb about 3 years ago. Richmond.
Yeah.
Them never have no living room AC.
No.
AC was in all the rooms.
Just a bedroom, and it was
That's
cramped.
long before we say we buy a house.
Yeah.
And when we get we house, we say first thing we all do, I put AC every inch in a we house.
Yeah. So there's AC in the living room, so you don't have to be in there sweating.
And Livi
So,
always
yeah.
cuss me say me extra, but me extra for a reason.
Yes.
When me AC guy come and say, here why you can use a 27 BTU in a living room. Me got 36. That means it will be frozen. He said, in the master bedroom you can use one 18. Me got 24. Okay? So me always extra. You know why? I want my people them for comfortable.
You're paying your hard-earned money, so we want to give you your money's worth, all right?
And me just want to tell you thanks in advance for booking London and Livi Airbnb in the beautiful country of Jamaica,
Yes.
in the beautiful parish of St. Anne, in the beautiful city of Ocho,
Real.
aka
Oh, gee.
oh, we out.
What they doing, keep on.